Till them dogs have been run.
What I like and what I don't like.
Right.
Right there, behind ya!
There you go.
Yeah.
Welcome to Show Me Birds. Come on over and meet the gun dog. Right over your head. Oh, good shot. It's all about just shooting and having fun.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Get him.
I'm gonna tell you something right there.
Good girl.
That is a good.
I gotta get him out of that.
That's a heck of a crappie right there. Now get out of her way. That's a good start right there. Tell you what. The G3 Sportsman is presented by Yamaha. Reliability starts here. Whoa.
Was you ready for that one? He didn't give us much warning, did he? But you got him anyways.
Show Me Birds started 20 years ago. Hunters taking care of hunters. We know what real hunting is. We know what challenging hunting is, challenging shooting is, and we've created this whole atmosphere. Hunters taking care of hunters. It's totally natural hunting. So many people have a problem with us producing our own birds, and I fully understand that. But we do that because we shoot 65,000 pheasants in one location. Nature can't comprehend something like that. So it's all designed over producing our own birds in our own habitat, this beautiful farms that you see, and whether it's European style shoot or the guided field hunts, it's all totally natural and totally realistic. Here, get you some shells here.
Are those heat-seeking, never missing
Heat-seeking, golden, see it's even got a pheasant on it. Fiocchi golden
The golden
pheasant.
BB, you know, it's in every
right
shell.
There, there's at least one in every shell.
That's right.
Today we're not hunting with Kim today right now. He's back at the office. It's a weekend, so he's pretty busy, but we've got Beretta's Jack Jameson here, and he's gonna show us how to shoot these new Explorers. We're gonna
try it anyway.
Actually, we're gonna be exploring with the Explorers. He's got the A400, and I've got the Explorer Light today, and I mean light it is. We're gonna get going here. We've got it's a great day other than the wind. We've got a big farm out here. We've got birds galore out here. Dogs are ready to go. They've done their business. We've done our business. I'm ready.
Dogs are acting a little birdie. What you got, Toby?
Yeah, imagine this wind, they're always birdie.
He ain't giving up. Find him, Deke.
Yeah. And when these birds get up in this wind, as fast as they fly anyway, buddy, let me tell you, it's on.
Easy. You guys ready? Rooster!
There you go, Jack. Good shot.
Just watch up ahead. There you go!
Atta boy.
Another one!
Hey!
Keeping the barrel warm today. My favorite way to keep it.
Yeah, most everybody, you know, when they get here, they'll have a half-a-day hunt, whether it's in the morning or afternoon. We'll have everything set up for everybody. Anybody that comes out here, guys, we do not hide the fact that our birds are pen raised by any means, but we will put them against any wild bird out there. They do everything a wild bird will do. They will run, they'll flush, they'll hold tight, get up behind you. They'll do everything they can do to get away, and they are definitely a challenge well worth the wait.
Gator tough, strong enough, keeps on going when the going gets rough. Gator tough, strong enough, everything you need. Summer, spring, winter, fall, G3 lets you do it all. There's nothing like a Gator Tough G3. No, there's nothing like a Gator Tough G3.
Visit G3Boats.com to find your nearest G3 and Yamaha outboard motor dealer.
Some hunters only stand in the bargain line, and there are others who will never stand behind any brand, but some will always stand for quality without compromise. Where do you stand? Fiocchi, what's in your gun?
The hunt doesn't last a day. It starts months earlier. With digital camera, topo mapping, 3-axis compass, and satellite imagery. Get everything you need for the hunt with Oregon 550T from Garmin.
This segment of the G3 Sportsman is brought to you by G3 Boats, a great catch. Fiocchi Ammunition, what's your game? Abu Garcia, for life. And by Garmin, we'll take you there. Well, that was a good little push right then. We got 4 right off. Good shooting there, Jack. That A400 is a pheasant gun.
It is definitely, it's my favorite gun, period.
That thing, boy, I tell you. Well, you shoot it well.
It's definitely the gun, it's not me.
Let's keep your barrel warm. Where are you thinking, Dan?
Let's just slide over and make another pass.
Yeah, that's a pretty good sized field we've got right here. How many acres have we got right here in this?
We're gonna be hunting just about 50 acres right here this morning.
Yeah.
So about the same thing, one on this side. Okay.
They won't let me shoot.
This is all designed to hunt pheasant with a pointing dog. It's not walk and block like South Dakota. We believe real bird hunting is with bird dogs. There's 240 pointing dogs at the resort and 110 labs. So what we have to do is farm these farms. It's best been described to me, Kim, it looks like 1950, the way farms were back when we had lots of native birds. And this is all designed to hunt with a pointing dog.
That's what I was looking at.
He is acting birdie, ain't he? Man.
Got a point right here.
There you go. Look at the feathers. That Jack's a pheasant magnet. That's tough too, this wind.
It's real tough.
You get a crosswind, the scent's blowing this way, so one dog stops, and then when it does, they all start backing that dog.
Yep. And there was a dog in front of Jack, you just couldn't see it.
Yeah.
Come on, Sting. Good boy.
That a boy.
Nice, pretty bird, Jack.
Yep.
You're getting kind of full over there. I don't want you to be lopsided or anything.
Well, I kind of, my left side's a little weighted down right now.
You need something on your right side?
Yeah.
To even you out?
Yeah.
We usually, all the guides here will hunt at least 3 dogs, if not 4, to definitely strengthen our chances of finding all the birds and getting all the birds down for everybody. For you hunters that have never hunted with bird dogs before, a lot of people do the walking and blocking. When you come here, the bird dogs is a big part of the show and the hunt in general. Without the dogs, we literally would have a tough time finding all of our birds in our cover especially.
Either running.
Booyah! Man, that boy is greedy.
Hey Scott,
Jack.
they make this thing, it's called a trigger. You can pull it every once in a while.
I mean that. We're actually hunting with 4 dogs out here. But that doesn't mean that while we're traipsing through here that we're just not going to get birds coming up, because any of you guys that pheasant hunt, you know that at any given time you got one that's fixing to come up. We're mainly using dogs so we can hopefully kind of get a point, because that's what's fun right there about it.
Cut over here. Yeah, here's another one.
Go dogs, go.
I've got to shoot a lot of game preserves in my line of work, and by far this is the best one that I've ever been to. It's the most realistic hunting experience to the wild that I've ever done. These birds just flew, I mean, almost true to life, you know. They'll be 20 yards, 30 yards out ahead of you, and the dogs will point, and then they'll start flying. It's not like, you know, walking up on these birds and kicking them out of the grass. There's a reason that it's the largest game preserve out there. And right here in Baxter Springs, Kansas, it's just been a really great experience.
There you go! Woo!
I have never in my life seen so much.
I know,
Here,
that's crazy.
there's your 3 more.
All right,
we're
that'll be a
only
good
we're only 100 yards from to the truck, and we were actually just going to get there and get a drink of water and unload and reload, and you really need to unload and reload.
Yeah. You gonna bring this one to me?
No.
No.
I mean, they just will not bring them to you.
No. They know what they're supposed to do. It's a good dog. Yep.
Mercy.
I was loaded down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hang on.
7, 8, 9. Wow.
How many you got, Scott?
Fired 2 shots. Never even really, I didn't get nothing.
That's the new guy. I've never hunted here before, so you know
That's what we
decided to
want.
show me some courtesy.
That's exactly right.
Your luck is on today. You might stop off the casino on the way home.
I was thinking about that. It's only a few miles down the road, so definitely gonna buy a lottery ticket on the way home.
I'll tell you what, you won't do that hunting out anywhere else where you
No.
can shoot like that.
No, that's for sure.
Fish on, cast your cares away with each passing wave. Fish on, G3 and Yamaha built to last. Ooh, so fish on.
Visit G3Boats.com to find your nearest G3 and Yamaha outboard motor dealer.
It's for those who get up early on weekends and those who'd rather rough it than take it easy. It's for those who know it's not just a sport, but a way of life. The new Food Saver Game Saver vacuum sealing system keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer with a rugged design and 12-volt adapter cord for easy use in the field, ensuring your game and fish is fresh when you need it. The Food Saver Game Saver vacuum sealing system. Fielded fresh, sealed fresh.
This segment of the G3 Sportsman is brought to you by Beretta. 500 years, one passion. Mossback fish racks. No matter how you stack them, we attract them. Berkeley. Catch more fish. Shakespeare. Quality fishing tackle since 1897. And by Yamaha. Reliability starts here. They've got a group come in doing a European hunt and stuff, and Kim's got a presentation and stuff that he does over there. We just kind of want to get in on it. And plus, it's lunchtime.
I That's what you're waiting for.
Chow
That's
time,
what
baby.
I'm waiting on right there, the lunchtime. And they always have a great spread. Especially when there's some European hunters in here, they've always got a real good spread of food.
King's Feast.
Got Chantel in there cooking. Always my favorite time over here. So let's go on over to Lodge and see what's happening over there right now. This is my favorite spot right here. For sure. And that's just the dessert. What's the main course?
There is chicken noodle soup, vegetable soup, and potato soup.
It's good times at Show Me Birds.
Years ago, I traveled over to Spain to learn how to do European shoots. I came back with the idea of how to create a high volume shooting environment that was still challenging and still natural. So what we did, we took a 100-acre farm of heavy timber and built this huge European shooting course out here. It's been called Disneyland for hunters. Welcome to Show Me Birds. Come on over and meet the gun dogs. This is a European tradition that we like to continue at Show Me Birds. You got 30-mile-an-hour gust of winds going on here. You get a 45-mile-an-hour pheasant, 30-mile-an-hour wind, the elevation climb. Who brought the 30-06 to get them down? Yeah, lead them the length of a long canoe going down a fast river. That's right, that's right. What we've done, we've got ponds created for water retrieves for the labs. As you can see behind me, we shoot through heavy timber. And some of these birds are doing 40, 45 miles an hour, 30 to 90 yards in the sky. As you rotate from station to station, we get to have different shooting environments. It's what we call nature sporting clays course. But the big kicker to this, all the birds are at different speeds, different altitudes. Every time you pull up to shoot at a nature sporting clays course, the birds are different. Well, there went Mr. Beretta's first miss.
He got a butt full.
I'm Camille, and this is Sweet. She's 4 years old, and she won Speed Retrieve at Nationals last year.
There he is, Jack, get him! Get him, Jack! Get him, Jack! Good shot.
Gotta get some more shells out.
Oh, you said you had plenty. Jack! I got that one. There you go, there's your head. There's Jack. Good shot. There he is, buddy. Here we're inside heavy timber. At the next station, we'll be out in the middle of a milo field. At the next station, we'll be shooting from an island with a 70-foot bridge, watching the labs fly through the air doing water retrieves. It's very, very exciting shooting and very challenging. Average harvest hovers in around 50 to 60% is normal harvest for this type of shooting. Most guys shoot anywhere from 6 to 10 boxes of shells during a shooting event, 300 up to 1,000 bird shoots.
The dogs, watching the dogs, helping the dogs, watch them work.
You volunteer all the time?
Anytime I can.
Well, they're good dogs.
Thank you.
There it is, Jack, get him. Out of, oh, almost. Good shot. That one about landed in the right side, Jack, right over your head. Awesome. Right in front of you, Jack, right here. I had to shoot that one. It was self-defense. Right side, right side.
We started this in 1990, open to the public, and it's grown ever since. We built our clubhouse in 2000, started the membership, and it's just absolutely grown. And we are very, very proud of it. We work hard 6 months out of the year from October 1 to March 31st. And 7 days a week we're here. And we're here to serve our public, and we enjoy our hunters, and we love cooking for them, and we love to have them come to our place.
Get him again! Hey, that rooster kicked our butt. Did you see that?
Introducing a revolutionary way to attract fish, the Mossback Fish Rack. From the box to the water, setup is a snap, and you can be fishing in no time. The rough surface on the branches encourages algae growth, and the unique design virtually eliminates hanging hooks. Use the Mossback Fish Rack in your pond, hang it off your dock, or sink it in your local lake. Join the guides, pros, and weekend fishermen who are already reaping the rewards. No matter how you stack them, we attract them. To learn more, visit mossbackrack.com.
I was so sick of him fishing, I ran over his ugly stick with his own truck.
Don't get me wrong, couldn't be happier that he found a hobby.
Oh, time to go fishing today, Harry!
I'm a peaceful person.
So I gave it to our dog Sugar as a chew toy.
Your mama, her husband back. What is that thing made of? You know what happened?
Nothing! Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Ugly Stick, tested under some of the harshest conditions on Earth.
Stupid ugly stick.
The Yamaha VMAX SHO. First it changed the game. Now it set the standard. But don't take our word for it.
The whole shot was everything they said it was going to be.
And we accelerated from like 50 miles an hour to 70, and it was like that.
So fast, so quiet. I mean, you give it power, and it's just there. That thing right there is just bad. The whole shot on it, the second to none. Oh yeah, it's for real.
Take a demo ride and feel the power yourself. You'll know why we call it the Game Changer.
Not bad for a day's work.
I'm gonna need a few more of these for tomorrow.
Catch more fish with Gulp and Gulp Alive. Gulp outfishes anything and everything, including live bait. Gulp looks, feels, and tastes alive.
I'll clear off some more wall space.
I hear a rooster. Shooting right over the top, moving left. Get him, boys! All right, water retrieve. Nope. Right over you, 12 o'clock. Cow. Get him, boys. Get over your head. Oh, good shot. You know, today on G3 Sportsman, we covered the guided field hunts and the European shoots on the same day. We've never done that before. That's putting a lot of, of filming and shooting all in the one day of hunting here. Most of the hunters do an afternoon hunt or a field hunt the first day and then do a European shoot on the second day. So incredible programs either way you go. And we invite everybody to come enjoy what we've got here in Southeast Kansas. Banking left, leading boys, leading. Right on your right side, right side. Spit right over the treetop, right on you. Get him, boys. Get him, boys. Right side, right side.
I can't even get mine loaded.
You had two come over your head, not even shot at. That's why we call it Show Me Birds. We take care of everything. The only additional fee that you have inside your hunt package is the hunting license for Kansas, which is $17.50, cheapest license in America. Other than that, in your hunt package is the guide, the farm, the dogs, bird dressing, bird processing. That's a 300 bird shoot. You ought to see the 4s and 5s.
We appreciate it. We had a big time.
G3 Sportsman.
We had a big time out here. Kim Showery always do it, Show Me Birds. That's all the time we got. I don't know how in the heck we got all this into one show, but I hope we pulled it off. But nonetheless, just remember, we'll be out there somewhere next week, right here on the G3 Sportsman. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Kim.
You're welcome, buddy. Come anytime.
The G3 Sportsman has been brought to you by G3 Boats, a great catch. Fiocchi Ammunition, what's in your gun? Abu Garcia, for life. Boot Saver, the #1 vacuum sealer. Garmin, we'll take you there. Mossback Fish Racks. Berkeley, catch more fish. Sony. Beretta, 500 years, one passion. Shakespeare. And by Yamaha. Reliability starts here.
Now we're giving away free hunts. No, really, guys, our birds. You can edit all this. You can put the bloopers in there at the end.
Want to make a blooper tape?
Can you play that back and let us look at it?
I was gonna go somewhere else with that and decided not to.